Hello students, now today we will see the next part of the chapter universe, because we already study about what is universe, what is planet, each and everything. Okay, so the second part of the chapter is also very important for us. So without delay the time, let's start the part 2 of this chapter. See, the first type of question is underline the correct answer. The question number 1. Blank is a dwarf planet. Which one? Earth, second Mars, third Pluto, and D Mercury. So the right option is Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Now second one. Which of these a satellite? Which one satellite? Moon, Mars, Sun, Venus. So the right option is A, Moon. A blank sailor. Question number 3 is, a blank sailor named Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth was round. And the option is Indian sailor, Portuguese sailor, American, and the D is Japanese. So the right option B, Portuguese sailor. Now the last question. Earth is called blank planet. So the earth is called blue planet. Option number C is the right answer. Now see, question number B is the another type of question as the following. The question number 1, red planet. Which is the red planet? Option D, Mars. Mars is the red planet. Now 2 number, brightest planet. Now the right option is C. Then what is the C? Venus. Brightest planet is Venus. Now the question number 3, biggest planet. Which one is the biggest planet? And the right option is E, Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Now the 4th one, blue planet. Which one is the blue planet? Earth. Our planet. Earth. Earth is the blue planet. And the right option is planet that has ring. Planet के जो rings होते हैं, okay, कौन से planet में वो rings available होते हैं? So the right option is A, Saturn. Now coming to the C, fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. Many stars, clouds, and gases together form a galaxy. Planets receive light from the sun. Yes, the right option is sun. Now third question, blank is the smallest planet, and fill up with Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Now fourth, land, sky, water, sun, moon, and stars in the space make up our universe. They all are making together universe. Now the last question in fill in the blanks. Earth is the blank planet from the sun, and the option is third. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Now this is the D, answer following question. This part of the exercise is very important part, because answer the following question, it is the shortest form of the chapter. See the question number 1, write the names of 8 planets. So the answer is, the 8 planets that orbit the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now coming to the question number 2, what is a galaxy? Many stars, clouds, and gases together form a galaxy. Now third question, define the term horizon. We can see that the sky and the land seem to be meeting at a point. This point is known as horizon. So in this chapter, this point we are already cleared. Now the last question, what is rotation? The earth moves around its axis is called rotation. जब earth अपने ही axis पे round करे, it is called rotation. Okay? I hope students these all are clear for you, and please revise it again and again. Okay? Now these all our question answer are very important for us. Okay students? Okay, thank you students.